Of course, many of us are going to be hosting holiday or football bowl parties this month. I've already had a holiday party. What do we need to know?
You already had one?
I did, but it was for a family member. It was for a family member.
Okay.
She's getting married.
All right, thanks a lot.
But you know, alcohol,
right.
I know. I would have invited you,
Okay.
you know, but
That's right. Sure.
you know. A lot of times though, these holiday parties,
Right.
alcohol is kind of hand in hand here. So what does it matter if somebody brings their own alcohol, or what are the legalities if you're serving alcohol as
Right.
far as, you know, because sometimes at these parties, what do you do? Say, hey, are
Right.
you of age? I guess you have to.
Oh, absolutely.
You know?
On that part, it's kind of, you know, we can break it down into two different categories. Number one, I don't care if it's holidays or if it's, you know, bowl season or what. Having underage drinking going on at your house is obviously a no-no. And you've seen it through the years. When I was in high school, to be honest with you, we had a friend of ours, we used to call them the cool parents, because he didn't care. He would let people come over. He would have, you know, we're seniors in high school, and they'd have keg parties for football season and all that with a bunch of 17 and 18-year-old kids. And that's just the wrong thing to do. You cannot do that. You cannot, you know, you can't encourage and especially help underage drinking. And then also, as far as you see on the graphic there, overserve. If, you know, Kelly brings up a good point as far as if you're having a party, the difference between if you provide the alcohol and if it's BYOB and you let people come in, because you can't control everything, but you need to do your due diligence. And absolutely 100%, let's say that you own, you know, at your house and you have a party. You can't just let people, you know, run wild and then expect them to be able to leave your party without being any kind of consequences. So, you know, if it's kind of, you're not under the same standard as, say, a bar is or a restaurant, but if you see someone that's been overserved a little bit, and we've all seen people like that, that's just had one too many. And in a situation like that, you need to do whatever you can to either cut that person off or to take their keys and get them a ride. A friend of mine actually hosts a 4th of July crawfish party every year. And the good thing that he does is he has
a place for you to spend the night? No,
well, probably, but he has the yellow cab service.
Oh, how nice.
And so if somebody has had too much, then, because he knows it's his responsibility as the homeowner, and with his homeowner's insurance, that you just need to do everything you can to make sure that everybody leaves and arrives safe.
And there's no reason not to these days. Yellow cab, Ubers, there's lots of ways to travel safely and not drive drunk.